Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check the surveillance history on your Xiaomi Smart Camera C500. So first, we need to open up our camera. So let's go over to the Xiaomi Home app and click on the camera. As you guys can see, all we have to do is click on the playback right here. And as you guys can see here, we have everything. So for an example, we have the timestamps, and the blue ones are when the person moved, the yellow ones are when the motion is detected, and the green one is when a pet was detected. So there's only me moving around with the camera. As you guys can see, let's go to the fragment where a person moved, and as you guys can see, here is my hand, it's moving. And whenever I go to the other fragments for an example, then there's nothing here. And as you guys can see, the time passes by. So this is how we can easily view the surveillance history. Also here we can go over and check the all playback videos. As you guys can see, we got a couple of videos right here. We can easily click on this one for an example and check the events. So as you guys can see here, we have the recording for an example. There's something moving in the background. Now that's how we can easily check it. Here we have all the events, and as you guys can see, this is on the SD card. Also, if you drop it out to the cloud, then it will also be here. Now for the local, as you guys can see, it has to be downloaded, so there's nothing here, but you guys can easily download the surveillance from the playback videos. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.